we're doing the Squaw Valley update. We're talking about the powder update for those folks that are not here.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Hey, go ahead. Yesterday for just two quick ones at the very end.
I just took two quick runs this morning.
3-something, I was like, fuck it, I gotta get out of here.
Good. All right, cool. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, bye.
Don't put it on the tripod, okay? Ricky, stop. Good boy.
What's going on?
In the last 72 hours, we've seen over 7 feet of snow fall on the mountain. It's just been incredible. The skiing is phenomenal, and we're looking to see some clearing skies this weekend for President's Day weekend, which should be just fabulous.
I think I'm up to my waist every turn that I make. I have never seen this much powder.
Super deep, like 2 feet, kind of like you watch people catch air and disappear into that deep, 2 to 3 feet. So it's amazing out there, and this is exactly what we needed.
Smiling so much.
Dude, the snow's great. Powder everywhere, like feet and feet, everywhere you go.
Like how